The other alkyl group is isoalkyl group. Isoalkyl group is one of the common alkyl group, works for many alkyl groups, whereas the basic material, the basic skeletal required for the representation of alkyl group is we need one of the substitution on the lengthy straight chain in such a way that at least it is consisting of methyl as the substitution, minimum methyl substitution from one end. So therefore the last but one carbon from one end, if it is consisting methyl as the substitution, followed by remaining all carbon atoms present in the skeletal are to be present in the straight chain without having branches, and at its other end of the primary hydrogen, if it is replaced by the group, such kind of features if it is associated, then that group is said to be the iso group, isoalkyl group. Let us see. Suppose this is the lengthiest chain consisting of many number of carbon atoms. This is one end of the skeletal chain, whereas this is one of the last carbon atom, and the last but one carbon atom is having chance for holding of the substitution. As being it is last but one, it can hold only methyl as the substitution. So therefore from one end, the last but one carbon is having methyl as the substitution, followed by that particular carbon for which methyl substitution is there, that is connected with either carbons of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And that particular carbon if it is connected, or the same carbon if it is connected to the group. If this group is present from one end, this alkyl group is present in such a way that the last but one carbon is holding methyl as the substitution, followed by remaining all carbon atoms are present in straight chain, that group is said to be the alkyl group. The minimum number of carbons required to form the alkyl group are 3. We require here 3 carbon atoms minimum. Suppose if there is no carbon atom, group is connected to this. It is said to be 3 carbons containing, minimum carbons containing isoalkyl group known as isopropyl. If n is equal to 1 here in this case, so therefore total 3 plus 1 4, that will becomes isobutyl group. If it is 5, isopentyl group. Like this, total carbons minimum 3 are required. The corresponding group, corresponding alkyl is said to be isopropyl. If there are total consisting of 4 carbon atoms, then it is said to be isobutyl. If it is consisting of 5 carbon atoms, then that is known as isopentyl. Once again, isoalkyl group, it is one of the common alkyl group, works for all varieties of alkyls, but it requires minimum 3 carbon atoms. From one end, it requires methyl as its substitution. So the minimum required carbon atoms are 3. The basic repetition from one end, it has to be present carbon connected with the 2 methyls, followed by remaining all carbon atoms are to be present in the straight chain without any branches, and one of the other end, primary hydrogen, if it is replaced by group, then this particular logic validating substances are said to be isoalkyl groups. Let us go for the examples of the isoalkyls from isopropyl to an extension, and we will substitute one of the primary hydrogen by some group, and we will write the name of the compound. Yes, let us look at these structures. I wrote 3 carbon atoms in such a way that validating the logic that there is a methyl substitution on the last but one carbon, followed by some group is connected to this, and that is indicated with the wavy line. And here the logic like second carbon atom is holding methyl as substitution, followed by carbon, and it is extended with a group. Total 4 carbon atoms are there, hence it is butyl, isobutyl system. And here this particular second carbon holding methyl is extended by 2 carbon atoms, and the primary carbon atoms, one of the hydrogen is replaced by the group. So therefore remaining all carbon atoms are present in straight chain. Logic 1, it should consist methyl as the substitution from one end, and remaining all other carbon atoms are to be present as a part of the straight chain without any substitution. Logic number 3, one of the primary hydrogen has to be replaced by group. Yes, methyl as substitution, all other carbons are part of the straight chain without branches, and one of the primary hydrogen is replaced by group. Total it is consisting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, and it is isopentyl. And with the extension, it is consisting total 6 carbon atoms, and it is isohexyl is the group. Whereas if this group is, suppose this is a group here I am feeling, this is a group, if I feel this group is alcohol OH group, then it is said to be isopropyl alcohol, and this is isobutyl alcohol, this is isopentyl alcohol, and this is isohexyl alcohol is the name. So condition number 1, from one end on the second carbon atom, on the last but one carbon atom, methyl has to be present as a substituent, and remaining all other carbons are present in straight chain without any branches. That is condition number 2. Condition number 3 is one of the primary hydrogen has to be replaced by the group. If these validations are there, then that is on behalf of total number of carbon atoms, alkyl of isotype, isoalkyl, isopropyl, isobutyl, isopentyl, isohexyl. If that group is alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, isohexyl alcohol. Let us see the anomaly. This particular one already we made the discussion, and this carbon is secondary carbon. We said it as secondary propyl also. Yes, isopropyl, secondary propyl, both are same. But nowadays we are mostly validating the representation of this particular alcohol or this particular group as iso group. Hence you also write that one wherever it occurs as isopropyl only, but not as the secondary propyl. But both are same. Yes, the other alkyl group is neo-alkyl group, and to become neo, one end of the alkyl chain should consisting of a minimum quaternary carbon, and remaining all other carbons are to be present in continuation without any branches, and one of the other end where tertiary carbon, quaternary carbon is not present, that ends primary hydrogen, if it is replaced by group, then those of all are said to be what? Neo-alkyl groups. So minimum quaternary carbon is this one, which is connected to methyl here, methyl here, methyl here, followed by here CH3, but it has to be extended. So therefore CH2 followed by C's are to be extended 0 to N in such a way that one of its last primary hydrogen is replaced by group. Then such kind of groups are said to be, such kind of alkyl portions, incomplete part of carbon skeleton is said to be neo-alkyl. So the minimum carbon atoms required to show that neo-alkyl is, yes, this carbon followed by its 4 connectivities are compulsory. That is 5 carbon atoms are necessary. 5 followed by 5 plus carbon atoms generally shows neo. But appearance of this particular system becomes very difficult. You can write neopentyl, neohexyl, neoheptyl, many other alkyls. It is also general validating containing group, but having of quaternary carbonate one end followed by extension of chain related literature compounds of carbon are very minimum in number. Hence it is generally restricted to pentyl system only. Hence we are having neopentyl. If this group is suppose OH, then that is said to be neopentyl alcohol. What is the name of this compound? Neopentyl alcohol is the name given for the compound if this group is OH and these carbons are 0. So therefore CH2, if it is connected to OH, total it is having 4 plus 1, 5 carbon atoms. This type of arrangement is said to be neo arrangement. Neo-alkyl is neopentyl and group is alcohol, hence it is neopentyl alcohol is the name. So the list of all possible varieties of alkyl groups from C1 to C5. C1 is there, that is present in the form of methyl. C2 is there, only one is present, that is in the form of ethyl. You write the zigzag structure of the methyl as well as ethyl. Similarly C3, we are having two things. One is N-propyl system, second one is isopropyl system. This isopropyl system is also known as secondary propyl system, but generally we will use the word as isopropyl. If it is C4 carbons, we can have N-butyl system, we can have tertiary butyl system, we can have secondary butyl system also. Whereas if it is pentyl system, that is C5 carbons containing alkane, after replacement of one of the hydrogen, various ways of combinations are. We can have N-pentyl system, we can have tertiary pentyl system, we can have neopentyl system. Thus, C6, C7 are also having many things, but those things are generally named with respect to the IUPAC system. 1 carbon as substitution, 2 carbon, 3, 4, 5. These are very common substituents present on the straight chains. Hence, these groups are generally named with the trival system. Hence, under trival, methyl, ethyl, N-propyl, secondary propyl, isopropyl, N-butyl, secondary butyl, tertiary butyl, N-pentyl, tertiary pentyl, neopentyl are generally occurring. You write the structures related to the incomplete part of the alkane, that is alkyl portion, which is obtained after subtraction of one of the hydrogen there. You write methyls, you write ethyl, you write N-propyl, secondary propyl, isopropyl, N-butyl, secondary butyl, tertiary butyl, N-pentyl, tertiary pentyl, as well as neopentyl related structures. Like this. Suppose I will write for the pentyl system. In pentyl system, first one is N-pentyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by group is present over here. This is N-pentyl system. Tertiary pentyl system, that should be tertiary carbon atom is there, and here group is present, that is tertiary pentyl system. Neopentyl system, carbon is connected to 4 carbon atoms, followed by group is present over here, that is said to be what? Neopentyl system. Like this, you write for the butyl, propyl and all other validating alkyl groups.